Ahoy, fellow yachtsmen, and welcome everyone to the 92nd annual Central Park Boat Race. Undoubtedly, model racing's most prestigious event. Children from all over New York gather here every year to see whose boat will prevail, who will win the race, and take home the magnificent trophy. Will it be the Siren,
Pick her up.
piloted by
Jack.
James O'Malley?
Stays all batten.
Jack!
Rudder.
Jack!
Sail.
Jack!
Third line.
Jack!
They're doing checks.
So, George, you like a hot dog?
Jack!
And from Manhattan's Upper West Side, the Wasp, piloted by George.
Well, everything appears to be in ship shape. But to be on the safe side, I better check the hull for leaks.
Upper East Side, Lillian B. Wamrath, piloted by Anton Gartran.
Oh no, Anton. Gee, George, what did you do? Get that out of a cereal box? I'm glad you're here, George. Someone's got to finish last.
I don't like that child.
All set to get underway. It's time to get those boats in the water and grab your remote.
Stuart,
Race
did you get the remote?
will begin.
Aye, Captain.
Our most recent weather update shows east southeast gusts 14 knots. So racers, please rig accordingly.
Wow. Don't she look great?
Uh-oh.
Are you okay?
Maybe we should go home.
Why?
I'm not wearing my lucky underwear.
You don't have lucky underwear.
Well, maybe we should get some and then come back for another race.
George, listen, I know how worried you are about losing, believe me. But you know what we say? The thing that really matters is to never stop trying, okay?
Okay.
That's the spirit.
Everyone to your places. Race is about to start.
My. Where's Stuart?
Look out, sir!
1 minute to race time, ladies and gentlemen. We have
Stuart!
1 minute.
Stuart, what happened?
It was completely my fault. I couldn't grip it.
Nice going, Captain Loser.
All set to get underway. We need all boats on the starting line.
George, wait. Everything will be all right.
No, it won't.
Maybe we could fix it. Huh? A little glue? Who knows?
Mom.
This is off. The first family outing. I ruined everything.
Well, you know, Stuart, these things happen.
But what about George?
I'll be right back.
Everyone in this race is a winner. One person take home the trophy. 92nd annual Central Park Boat Race.
George, you know what? Just because we can't be in the race doesn't mean our family outing has to be ruined. I really think...
All boats marked, ready, and... And the racing. Boats are all full.
I think we should just go home.
The sails are full, and there's a mouse on the boat.
Stuart!